Let us now add a delete button in here using TurboStream. And let us implement the TurboStream way. For this, let me go back to the code editor. And before we implement it, I want to note that here, as you see, we added these 3 lines, although we could use turbo frames here. As you remember, when we worked on implementing articles, we inlined some of the article forms inside of the index page. So we could also do that here. We could also inline new messages form using turbo frames. But our intention here at this stage is implementing all this in a purely TurboStream way. So that's why we don't want yet mix any of the TurboFrame implementation yet. We want to implement everything in a purely TurboStream way, and then in a later stage we will consider how we can mix TurboFrames and TurboStreams. So let us now implement it. Here, let us add a new file and call it destroy. And here okay, and now let us go to the messages controller and find the destroy function and add a new format here. TurboStream. And in the message partial, let us add a new button. Okay, now let us go to the browser and let me try to delete the last one. As you see, we do not use the confirmation model that we added. As you remember, we added this placeholder and added this articles delete confirmation model, but we do not use a similar pop-up model here yet in order to implement everything in a purely TurboStream way. So now if I click on this, in this case, content was removed, but the related link was not removed because in the TurboStream response, it shows that it is targeting only the message partial. Let us go to the code editor and find the index page. Here, as you see, this link is outside of the message partial, and in the message partial we have this DOM ID that is setting the ID that TurboStream is targeting. So everything within this div will be removed and what's outside of it will be kept. We could get this removed by wrapping all this inside another div and targeting that div, but in this case, because this code is related to one particular message every time, let us move this, add the indentation here that was missing, and move this inside of the related message partial. And if we go back to browser, refresh, and delete the second one, we got the entire thing removed. Now let us use update and replace to modify the existing content.